Raising gas is started. We have speed up the windbreak. Quickly at the start. Touch of class. Friendly fire. Stormbreaker. Coquette comes next. Then followed over by entry number 8. And this one is Enigmatic. Showtime ladies by the Ray Leno. The outside and this ramp perfection. Shining Gold Citrus Admiral while Ray Moonstar race the early trailer by about 15 lengths up the leader. We have speed up the win by about 3 lengths. Touch of class in second. Friendly fire is racing in third. Alongside fourth comes Coquette Showtime Lady. Perfection comes next. Then followed over by Enigmatic. Moving a party outside now is Shining Gold. Then next online now is Andy's Ram. Stormbreaker Citrus Admiral while Ray Moonstar is still racing in last. Then at the far turn we have speed up the win this time by about 6 lengths. Coming closer in second is Perfection. Shining Gold on this ram now moving up on the outside. Not only inside Enigmatic as they swing for room. We have speed up the win by about 4 lengths. And in second is Perfection. Not only inside Enigmatic. Last 75 meters we have speed of the wind, and finally speed of the wind. Perfection. Then comes Enigmatic, Coquette, Shining Gold, and Andy's Ram.